Hey guys, we're live at 7:03, battling for David's Afa Bossk. While I'm here, I'm going to copy my 26 spots. Take a gander here. The Warrior, he's excited. And we got an AFA 85 Bossk. There it is, 26 spots. I'm going to paste our list over here at random. There they are. To find our winner, going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got an 8. So we're battling. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Joe takes round 1. Troy 2. Dave takes round 3. Dustin 4. Troy takes round 5 with number 24. And round 6 with number 6. Joe again on top in round 7 with number 20. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner of David's Bossk is Bill Patton with a voucher at number 17. Congrats, Bill. There's our results. This is annoying. There it is, ZXWPSM. Bill Patton, number 17 is the champ. There's the rest of them. I'm done. It's 7:05. There you go. One more time. Here it is. Bill in at number 17 is the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.